So you got some Christmas presents from Santa Claus, huh? Yeah, nice. Well, go ahead. Start opening them.
I'm just trying to keep my gun.
Doesn't have to be nice, Chloe. Just flip it open.
You just open.
Try harder.
You're a big boy now.
I just took up this thing. I can get it out already.
What'd you get?
I don't know. Whoa, that was good. I will open it. Oh.
Oh my goodness. What did you get?
You better tear the paper off there, bud.
Oh, now.
It's too hard?
Yes.
Oh, you're be careful. Hold it.
I think this is a game, I think.
A game? Oh.
I don't want to lay it down before I pull it out.
A princess.
You got what? A princess? Boy.
A lot of stuff. That's gonna be fun.
Oh my goodness, Tom. What do you have there?
I hope it's 21.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Thomas already has those. I'm opening it.
The kitty's checking it out too, huh?
The sound I make. What?
Bless you, Lily. What'd you get? Tonka Chuck and friends? Wow. You got more presents, buddy.
Tina loves that thing. It's a blanket.
What are you doing? I'm shooting video. You don't need to pose for pictures.
You better just take pictures, Dad. That's what you want.
You want me to take a picture? Well, that means I gotta stop this video. Maybe Mommy can take pictures with her phone, and I can shoot video.
No, Mom can't.
Mom hasn't had a cup of coffee yet. And I haven't had a full cup of coffee yet either. Okay, I guess we're going to stop this video for now, and then take a couple pictures.